Hi, welcome back to Disney Toy Lovers channel. Today we have Barbie's fashion vending machine. With this cool fashion machine, we can turn the shelf and pick out a great purse or shoes. And it comes with a lot of accessories. 4 pairs of shoes, 3 purses, a pair of boots, and a necklace. Time to open the doors and load up these accessories so we can play. That's the last one for this side. Let's get spin crazy. Ooh, I really like this spinning stuff. I'm having a little too much fun spinning this. Let's start the other side. Load it up. What would be really cool is if all these shoes fit me, but they don't. Well, this one's loaded, so spin to the next side. I'm wondering, does anyone like this cupcake purse as much as me? Press like if you do. Ready for it to spin some more? Spin, spin, spin. Oops, forgot some more. First customer, Princess Anna. I wonder which one she'll pick. I picked the blue heart purse. It's so cute. It will even match my blue skirt. The purse is about to come out. Woo! There it is. The blue purse is a great match for her skirt. Which one is Barbie gonna pick? Those sunglasses are rockin'. Here is all the accessories the vending machine came with. 4 pairs of shoes, a necklace, 3 purses, and a boots. Fashion model Barbie. What is she gonna try on? It looks like the pink purse. Alright, Barbie, let's see what it looks like on ya. The pink purse matches perfect with your outfit. Let's not forget about those silver high heels. They're looking good. Well, Barbie seems happy with her pick. Next we have Queen Elsa. What is she gonna pick? Blue purse, blue shoes. That will match perfect with her blue outfit. Elsa looks all blue. That must be her favorite color. She looks really good with those boots on. Does anyone else have a favorite color blue? Next we have my favorite, Cinderella. Uh-oh, I wonder if she's looking for the blue shoes. Nope, pink shoes. Uh-oh, looks like there's no purse for Cinderella. She'll have to do without it, but she still looks good in those high heels. We're running out of options. I don't know what she's gonna choose. Well, it looks like it's black purse and black shoes. Even though they're not her favorite. But it looks like we have a problem. The shoe doesn't fit. But the purse looks good, but that looks a little crazy. She can't go like that. We're gonna have to try on another pair of shoes. This is making me think about the Cinderella movie. And the second pair doesn't even fit her. This is kind of crazy. Barbie's shoes from a fashion vending machine don't fit Barbie? Uh-oh. She has big feet. Yeah, sorry Barbie. Doesn't look like you're getting any shoes today. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and click on a picture to watch another great video. Camping, baby, doctor, market time. This was a really fun video. Ooh, Barbie as a baker? I'd like to see that one. The baby that pees ran out of clothes? We had to make Play-doh? Ooh, I'd like to see that one too. And what about Princess Anna doing laundry? Uh-oh.